Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we are going to be creating couple spreads in my wellness. So the first one will be meal planner and the second one will be wellness. We are working with the week of November 28th through December 4th. I am using the Live Love Posh sticker book from last year called Autumn Blooms, I believe. It is super lovely. I found these pink and gray floral stickers and I couldn't help myself. Like, look how lovely this is, right? Yes, it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a corner sticker in here. Super, super pretty. I'm gonna turn the page to make it a little bit easier. Perfect. Perfect. I'll be cutting a lot of these stickers for the purpose of having smaller ones because this planner, as much as I love it, is still extremely functional. So that's what I keep. I keep full function in it. So with me today, you will see a full week of meal planning and what that looks like in my brain and on the page. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and keep cutting. I think this sticker book is actually called Posh Fall or Posh Blooms, something like that. I really, really love this book. It's such a lovely floral stickers, and the ones I picked are actually on clear paper. So look how beautiful. I'm just gonna cut the excess so then I don't forget it later. But I'm gonna start cutting these pink ones and adding them throughout the planner until I feel like we're good to go. But for the time being, I don't, and I'm gonna keep cutting it. So I don't think I'm going to use any other stickers in here. Like I said, I keep it mostly functional. The decoration part is to keep me coming back here to check what's for dinner and kind of see what the snack options are so I don't go the unhealthy route. But that's about it as far as decorations go. That's why I do it and that's how I do it. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep adding flowers until I feel like it's balanced. I'm sorry about the right side. The light is a slightly bit more harsh because it's straight underneath. So that's where this is. Okay, I think I need like 2 more. Maybe. Let's see. So I'm gonna add 1 more right there. And then 1 more where? Right here. That'll work. And I need to add more on the left side then. Like so. I know that's so many stickers, but again, I really enjoy full spreads like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 more. I don't know, where should I put it? Maybe right here. And let's do 1 more and finish it. So let's plop this down right here. Okay. Let's do this last one and then I'll be done with these stickers. Like there'll be no more of this kind. So let's put 1 in here. And let's put 1 right here. There. All the pinks are in. The spread is super full. Let's do this. Okay. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and meal plan this baby. So I'm going to pull my cheat sheet, which I already made for December, with all of the meals that I think I could make or want to make. So we have a smoothie. We have some soup. I made butternut squash soup, so I'm gonna be eating that from Thanksgiving, some leftovers. We have some pierogies from Thanksgiving. I know, unusual. So we'll have probably like 2 or 3 pierogies each, and then some turkey stew. Turkey sandwich. We gotta use up that turkey, guys. Toast. Do any of you freeze turkey? And if so, how does it freeze? I always wonder because I don't want to be left with like dried out meat, or I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing with turkey, you guys. So Tuesday, leftovers. Wednesday, I probably will make pork tenderloin with tomato sauce. Or confit, as I call it. Special tomato confit. Okay. Toast on Wednesday as well. Make it simple. Mushroom soup for lunch on Wednesday, and then half a salad. Then I can go ahead and do Thursdays, and that will be most likely a toast or something like that as well. I usually keep this pretty simple for a reason, because I don't want to spend a lot of time cooking right before work, especially because most of the time I prep my dinner before I leave for work and I pack my lunch. So a pulled pork with egg over on Friday, it's so good, you guys. I make it with some potatoes, a pork tenderloin that I shred into pieces, and then I fry and sunny side up egg so the yolk becomes the sauce, and it is divine. Thursday salad for lunch, and a Mexican skillet with quinoa. Then Friday I usually skip lunch, so we'll do that. And Saturday and Sunday, those days, they're usually our like flex days where we don't have breakfast, but we have more of a brunch. So we combine dinner or breakfast and lunch together. So then we'll have pancakes and Southwest quesadilla. Those are so good. And then I just need to figure out for dinners, and we should be good. So ramen noodle soup, I make a special like spicy soup. I add ginger and all sorts of things into this, and then it's served with like ramen, noodles, a piece of meat, an egg, scallions, all of these things, and it's so good. We'll do loaded sweet potatoes with turkey on Saturday, but that's ground turkey. That's no longer Thanksgiving turkey. And then beef casserole with dumplings on Sunday. And then I'll just put snacks on Friday, and we are done with the spread, you guys. That was so good. Thanks for your help. Okay, let's get going to the wellness spread. So this is the monthly. If you saw it, you know it. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the actual wellness spread in here. So I'm going to be using the Holly Jolly sticker book from Love Love Posh. I saw, or maybe the Winter Chic. I don't know, but I think Holly Jolly. I saw these really cool food related stickers that I used already and something else, and I wanted to use more of these. I thought that's appropriate in a wellness planner, even though these things are not necessarily super healthy, but they're colorful and they're food related. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This particular planner is a wellness layout, in case you've never seen it, and it is a listen to your heart classic size happy planner. So I'm gonna start with a washi tape, because look how pretty. So let's add that. I'm gonna cut this off, and then let's add a little bit of this to the other side of the page. And then whatever is left, like so, I'm just gonna cover up with sticker, so I am not worried. However, I am worried that's not straight. Okay, so let's go ahead and add this beauty of ornaments. And then these popsicles, look at these. Cake pops, I should say, not popsicles. Called cake pops. I go to Starbucks. I don't know what I'm talking about, you guys. See those every day. Okay, we're gonna add this little balloon animal. We're gonna make it bright, fun, and colorful. So bear with me, because that's what we're doing. I'm gonna add the Christmas tree, and that's gonna cover up that thing. I'm gonna add another one through here. And here. Okay, and now I'm gonna start playing with boxes. So this sticker book does have boxes in this particular collection. So I'm gonna play with the boxes to see what I can actually fit in here and make it kind of pretty. So this will be a full game. And looks like I'm covering the washi tape. Oh well, I'm not taking it off. You guys will know that's under there. It will be our secret forever and ever. Okay, let's get started with this side. So I'm gonna keep going and adding these boxes. So as always, we'll be renaming the boxes. This will be for my medication and my movement. And the top, instead of intention, will be sleep and mood as always. Okay, let's lift this Christmas tree. And let's place one more box, like so. There we go. Let me go ahead and add all of these checklists. So I'm gonna keep it pink because that seems to be the theme of the spread, and my last one too. So it's pink and gray. I'll keep it the same. I like sometimes matching these colors. I like kind of not traditional Christmas colors too. I love the blues, I love the greens, the pinks. So I will be playing with that. There'll be plenty of green and red throughout this month, I think. I can have some fun with color. And the closer it gets to Christmas, probably the more traditional I will become, just so you guys know. Okay, almost done. Okay, a few more things. Here we go. Okay, let's rename those two boxes. I'm gonna add a box in the sidebar here. I think that looks good too. It's super pink, super bright, everything matches, even though it's not on purpose. I'm gonna cut this up and kind of place it in a fun way around there. Let me know what you think about that. It's gonna be a little bit different. This will be kind of like coming out of the underneath the boxes. I'm gonna add some sweets into here, some piping bags, a little cupcake, and what ice cream, I don't know. Okay, let's add that one. Let's add this. I'm just gonna play with all of these little decorations in here. I'm gonna add fa la 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 la, because why not, right? At this point, why not? It's already bright as heck. I'm looking to see if there's any more super bright pink flowers that I can add that would match, but that also signify that I would need to add another color, and I don't want to. Now I'm being a baby about it, but I like this more muted color scheme with the bright screaming pink. So I'm actually going to use few florals from this book. And let's see how that goes, because I think that these colors match. Look at the blues. The pinks don't match necessarily, but the pastel colors definitely do. And I think that's lovely. So I'm gonna be adding those to the spread and kind of finishing off that way. Okay, so let's go ahead and add, what else can I add in here? A big flower? Oh, that fits. Maybe it's meant to be. So I'll add a couple more into here. I think that'll be great. So there, I'm gonna go ahead and put this down on the page. I think it looks fantastic. I don't know if I need more. Okay, let's add a couple of these leaves. And then this blue little twine thing. And that was Winter Wonderland from last year. That's where those stickers are from. So I'm gonna add a little cupcake and try to add a couple more little divine pieces and see how that goes. So I'm gonna add some branches and leaves into the top and kind of struggle this in here. I think that looks good. So let's go ahead and add Baking Spirits Bright and a little piping bag on this side. So we have flowers and sweets and kind of like kitchen crafting. Okay, so I'm gonna add more of these ornaments like so. So it looks more coherent, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start renaming the two little things that I told you about. So let's go ahead and rename the movement to medication and movement, and the intention to sleep and mood, and we should be good to go. Let me know what you guys think about the spread, and I can't wait to see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you guys have a great week ahead. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!